Upgrade your garage access with convenience and reliability. The best Keypad garage door opener ensures secure entry without needing keys or remotes. Built for durability and easy installation, it offers weather-resistant performance and dependable functionality for every homeowner's peace of mind. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Marantec Keypad Garage Door Opener. The Marantec Keypad Garage Door Opener brings a seamless blend of security, convenience, and modern functionality to your home. Designed for users who value reliability and ease of access, this keypad lets you open and close your garage with just a 4-digit PIN. No keys or remotes required. Whether you're juggling groceries, managing a busy household, or simply want a quicker way to get inside, this system makes entry effortless. It can control up to 4 separate garage doors, making it an excellent choice for homes with multiple garages or shared spaces. The inclusion of a one-button close function ensures you can secure your garage quickly and safely with a single press. Marantec also prioritizes advanced security with a secure multi-bit code system compatible with their openers that operate on a 315 MHz frequency. Temporary pins can be created for visitors or service personnel, ensuring access without compromising your privacy. Installation is simple, thanks to the included spacer kit, mounting screws, and detailed programming instructions. It even comes with 2 AAA batteries for instant setup. Durability is another strong point. Its all-weather protective cover shields the keypad from harsh elements, while large backlit buttons make it easy to operate at night or in low light. This feature-rich device not only enhances your home security, but also offers long-term dependability through its thoughtful design and sturdy build.
Number 2. Craftsman Keypad Garage Door Opener. The Craftsman Keypad Garage Door Opener delivers a practical and secure way to access your garage without needing a remote or physical key. Designed with user-friendly functionality and modern security in mind, this wireless keypad allows you to open your garage door using a personalized 4-digit PIN code. One of its best features is its illuminated keypad, which provides clear visibility during nighttime or low-light conditions, ensuring you never have to fumble in the dark. The setup process is fast and hassle-free, as it requires no wiring. Just mount it in a convenient location and program it to your garage system. Craftsman's focus on security is evident in the technology behind this keypad. Every time it's activated, a new access signal is sent using billions of combinations, effectively preventing radio signal interception or hacking attempts. For families or property owners who occasionally allow guests or service providers temporary access, the single-use PIN option is particularly useful, giving one-time entry without compromising your main code.
Number 3. Thonf Universal Keypad Garage Door Opener. The Thonf Universal Keypad Garage Door Opener stands out as a premium solution for homeowners seeking durability, versatility, and modern design. Crafted with a robust zinc alloy body, this keypad offers superior strength compared to traditional plastic models that often crack or degrade over time. Its sleek, upgraded design features large, easy-to-press metal buttons and a distinct circular enter key that enhances comfort and usability. Beyond aesthetics, Thonf focuses on practical performance, ensuring this device remains dependable in any weather conditions. What truly makes this keypad exceptional is its broad compatibility. It works with a wide range of major garage door opener brands, including Chamberlain, Liftmaster, Craftsman, Genie, Linear, Wayne Dalton, and more, supporting systems with color-coded learn buttons or dip switch configurations. This makes it a perfect universal option for homeowners with existing setups. Security is another highlight, offering keyless access through a personalized 4-digit PIN that can be customized for multiple doors or even temporary users, such as guests or deliveries.
Number 4. Genie Keypad Garage Door Opener. The Genie Keypad Garage Door Opener offers both functionality and advanced technology in a convenient package. Designed to complement Genie's trusted garage door systems, this combo pack includes both a wireless keypad and a remote control for added flexibility. Equipped with Genie's patented IntelliCode technology, it ensures top-tier security by automatically changing the access code from billions of combinations every time the door is operated, keeping unauthorized users out. The AutoSeek dual-frequency system, 315 to 390 MHz, minimizes interference from nearby signals, ensuring consistent and reliable communication between your opener and the keypad. Installation is easy with the included screws and programming guide, allowing you to have it ready in minutes. The keypad features a backlit interface and a durable flip-up cover that protects it from weather elements while maintaining quick access. The system is compatible with Genie IntelliCode openers made since 1995 that use Series 2 technology, and it can operate up to 3 garage doors, making it an excellent option for multi-door homes. Users appreciate its combination of security, convenience, and ease of use, as well as the reassurance that comes with the Genie name, a brand long trusted in garage door solutions. Its sturdy build and intuitive operation make it ideal for families and individuals who value dependable performance year-round.
Number 5. Thonf's Wired Keypad Garage Door Opener. The Thonf Wired Keypad Garage Door Opener is the perfect blend of security, stability, and durability for homeowners who prefer a wired connection over wireless alternatives. Unlike wireless keypads that may face issues like signal interference or hacking risks, this wired version guarantees uninterrupted and highly secure access through its encrypted wired transmission system. Installation is straightforward, no pairing is needed, and it's designed to be compatible with most major garage door opener brands, except those with multifunction control panels. It's a plug-and-play setup that ensures consistent performance for decades, blending modern aesthetics with long-lasting practicality. The Thonf Wired Keypad Garage Door Opener is perfect for anyone who prioritizes robust security, reliable connectivity, and a long service life. With its unique wired structure, it eliminates the vulnerabilities of wireless systems while maintaining easy operation and a professional-grade appearance, offering homeowners unmatched peace of mind and dependable access control. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.